Howdy everyone, welcome back to some more unboxing situations. Today we're going to be checking out another product from Ekster. It's going to be the carbon forged card holder. Yeah, this nice presentation box, look at that. Let's open this puppy up. Slice through that packaging, by the way, with the Finch McCoy link down below. All right people, sliding that box open, getting that first look. There is the Ekster card holder. Definitely picking up on that forged carbon. Look at that. Kind of has like that hammered look to it. Sweet. All right, checking out that card holder. Feels great in the hand, nice and light. Little branding on the side there, little extra action. Review airplane. What a treat indeed. So I do love the subtleness of that carbon. So on the back, we have our jet black RFID protector here. Throw in an additional card underneath there. Keep that puppy nice and safe from those suckers that want to take your information. And then I believe we are preloaded with some like extra business card type instruction cards as well. Let's try this trigger. Ooh, non-dominant hand. And that worked out pretty well. Yeah, look at that indeed. 6 cards preloaded. Credit card thickness. Look how they all fan out like that. Easy access, kind of pick which one you want. Shove them back home. Let's try that again. That's pretty smooth. Love that trigger on the Eksters. All right, let's go ahead and load this up. All right, people, we have the Ekster card holder all loaded up here. So I threw some credit cards in there, threw a little cash on this nice silicone money band, by the way. So this goes all the way around and it actually helps to keep this RFID extra compartment on the back attached. So you can take that off. Super easy to do so. Yeah, pretty easy to take apart. Money band, the extra RFID. You're going to take that off though, you just go ahead and line it back up and then you can just kind of slide the band back down with both hands. I'm going to get it right here in the middle. But yeah, you can go ahead and switch that out, put it on either side. Kind of like an ambidextrous thing too. But yeah, silicone band acts as a nice money strap. You can slide it in, slide it out, and it stays pretty secure otherwise. Awesome. Now this carbon forged is really nice. It's nice and subtle. You know, in the shadows and the darkness, just kind of taking a glance at it. It looks and appears black. If you look at it in the light, you can start to see it. It's subtle, but it's definitely there. I mean, it is and it isn't subtle. It's pretty nice, really. It blends in and also has that personality. So it's kind of a perfect mix of everything, really. Style, elegance, wallet situations. Non-dominant hand, easy peasy. I'm gonna do a push with the pinky finger here. Look at that. No problem with the non-dominant pinky. So nice lightweight wallet too. Let's go ahead and get a weight on this. All right, let's go ahead and get a weight on the Ekster card holder. Loaded up with 4 credit cards and some cash. Look at that. Only 3 ounces. Nice and light. So now I'm just kind of standing in the sun. Can you see that? That forged carbon fiber. It's a cool look. Thanks for watching, people. We really appreciate it. If you're new in town, consider subscribing. Till we see you again. Keep your nose clean. Bye-bye.